In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat in GoToMeeting. Let's dive in and explore how this feature works to ensure you can communicate effortlessly during your meetings. Once you have successfully logged in and joined a meeting through the GoToMeeting app, you might find the need to send chat messages to other participants. Whether you need to share an important link, ask questions discreetly, or just provide some quick feedback, the chat feature is incredibly handy. Start by directing your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a messaging or chat icon. It's quite intuitive and easy to spot, but if you're having trouble finding it, look closely at the toolbar. Clicking on this chat icon is your first step in initiating the chat function. After clicking the icon, you will see the chat window appear. This is where all the magic happens. A large part of effectively using this tool involves understanding the layout of this window. The chat window is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that not only can you type your messages with ease, but you can also quickly browse through any ongoing conversations. Now, you can simply enter your message in the available text field at the bottom of the chat window. As you type, remember that clarity is key. Especially in a professional setting, keeping your messages concise makes for effective communication. Once your message is typed out and you're confident in its content, hitting send or pressing enter on your keyboard will deliver your message to the intended recipients. It's important to note that GoToMeeting's chat function is dynamic. It allows you to send messages to everyone in the meeting or, if needed, just to specific individuals. This flexibility can be particularly beneficial in large meetings where private correspondence may be necessary. Spending a moment to determine who exactly you want to communicate with will enhance your chat experience. While chatting, keep in mind some essential etiquette. Always be respectful and considerate, as these virtual interactions hold the same weight as face-to-face conversations in meetings. It's also a great idea to use this feature for quick clarifications without interrupting the speaker verbally. As you can see, using the chat feature in GoToMeeting is straightforward but also powerful in ensuring smooth communication in meetings. By following these steps, you'll ensure you can easily share information and ideas without disrupting the meeting flow. I hope this guide helped you understand the chat functionality within GoToMeeting a bit better. Hopefully, with these insights, you'll be ready to add another layer of interaction during your next meeting. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks.